before we can connect, before we can engage. Which is why we are saying let's connect with somebody who has been here for many years, and then we bring another set of expertise and join it together. That's the whole idea.
So the cultural mother tongue is say Assamese.
Yep.
Okay. Now it's very easy to turn on and make a film in Hindi for Delhi and dub it in Assamese.
Right.
But you know the difference. You can make out that these people are not Assamese.
Definitely.
They're also not talking Assamese because it's not in sync.
Right.
So there's an element of distancing.
Right.
So that means that when the market becomes ripened, you have to actually spend money and make the films in Assamese.
Yeah.
Or in English,
Or in
which is
English.
the second language in this state.
Right, right.
Not Hindi.
Not Hindi.
You see, so it's not so easy to just transplant the advertising that you're doing in the rest of the country or in the cow belt and make it relevant in Assam. It's not.
It's not that.
Like the South. The South has to be treated for its cultural differences. Assam has to be treated
And
for
South,
its cultural
all of us from North, we think South has one, but there's Kerala is different, Tamil
There's a
Nadu
lot
is
of
different, and
difference,
Andhra
yeah.
Pradesh is different, Karnataka is different. Similarly, there are lots of nuances that happen in every part of India, which have to be understood by the local people.
Sir, are the problems inherent in advertising today? Any problem? Advertising or
Lots of problems.
Lots of problems.
Media has gone up so much.
Yeah.
You see, on one hand, it's become very accessible and cheap. At one end, it's hugely expensive. So when you go to television as such, and you go for events or for top of the line programs, it's frightfully expensive.
Yeah.
But when you go for the internet, and you go for cloud, and you go for all these other sudden technology bursts, they have made advertising very accessible to very small players who don't have that much money.
See, a lot of people forget one thing, that mass media is expensive. So what people used to wrongly do is that they would say, I have X budget, so I can't afford so much. So I want to go all India on television, but I can't do the kind of spots that the big advertisers would do. They used to forget one thing, that unless you break that threshold level, you're wasting your money. That X amount of money is wasted. You either have to do X plus 10 to be seen and to be remembered, otherwise you're wasting money. Which is where these new avenues that are opening up now, which is saying, forget mass media. Let's create a strategy for you which forgets mass media as the main vehicle. And let's do things in other ways and reach out to the country.
But the net and all is also becoming mass media. But it's so much cheaper.
Cheaper and it is trackable.
Are the two mediums, that is print and television, these two mediums are the main mediums or
Have been the traditional
mediums?
It depends on for what. If you're selling Lifebuoy, you need for a business